Good day everyone. This day I will present you a general introduction to a part of a business intelligence, which is called predictive analytics. Predictive analytics holds a great amount of potential to act as a key on decision support system, if the implementation is perfect. Predictive analytics is a form of business intelligence using a variety of statistical techniques from modeling, machine learning, and data mining that analyze both current and historical facts to make predictions about events which will happen in future. In business, predictive models exploit patterns found in historical and transactional data to identify risk and opportunities. Models capture relationships among many factors to allow management of risk or potential associated with a particular set of conditions, guiding decision-making for future operation. The difference with the applied predictive analytics on business intelligence is really different. Where past business intelligence only sums up and concludes the events in historical information, whereas using business analytics allows businesses to forecast future happenings. This could become a major advantage in terms of decision-making and also possible to act as a warning for businesses to take an evasive action for future events. This is a general explanation about how predictive analytics works. First is defining the case. We define the subjects of the case which will be forecasted. Then the data collection, where we collect information regarding of the case from all possible sources, for example, data from a data warehouse. And the data analysis, where we apply analytical solution which is created based on the applied BI. Then we apply the statistic, where we created a stacks of raw information which taking form as statistical data. Then we apply for a model form. We processed the statistic data and created a model which is desired and considered most suitable for the business, for example, a dashboard visualization. This is a brief example of a demand chart for a commodity A, as an example, with a predictive analytical applied to the system. This way the system will forecast the amount of the demand on the future. Then after the application, we can see how accurate is the prediction of the system with the real events. Another example of applied predictive analytical in real life is direct marketing. When marketing consumer products and service, there is a challenge of keeping up with competing products and consumer behavior. Apart from identifying prospects, predictive analytics can also help to identify the most effective combination of product versions, or marketing material, or even communication channels, and even the timing that should be used to target a given consumer. The goal of predictive analytics is typically to lower the cost per order or cost per action. Predictive analytics can give businesses some benefit, such as predict future events so the business is properly maintained as stable as possible, and even making room for an improvement. Learn from the past, so previous mistakes and faults can be avoided seamlessly. Keep looking ahead to make sure that the company is always ready for changes in terms of their operations. Remain competitive. Analyze future market conditions and trend in order to gain some advantage over competitors. Or prepare for a drop in sales, making sure that the businesses have created an evasive action in case of drop in sales, so that the damage could be minimalized or even avoided.
For decades, businesses have used analytics to assess performance based on historical data, but that process could be lengthy, and because it looked back, often produced results that weren't actionable. Today, more successful companies use predictive analytics to produce real-time insights that standard query and reporting tools just can't match. Insights that build competitive advantage, identify new revenue opportunities, increase profitability, improve customer service, and enhance operational efficiency. According to Gartner, nearly 70% of the most profitable companies will implement predictive analytics by 2016. Yet currently, only 13% employ predictive methods, a window of opportunity for forward-looking organizations. Without the right analytic capabilities, the sheer volume of data, and the disparate systems that house it, simply increase cost and inefficiency, with little insight. But with IBM SPSS statistics, you can leverage the power of predictive analytics right now. Thousands of organizations use SPSS statistics to solve business and research problems, helping quickly validate assumptions, providing the right statistical tool for the job, and delivering flexible techniques for varying skill levels. IBM SPSS Statistics produces output that's easy to absorb, even on mobile devices. It increases accuracy in predictive models, speeds performance, and improves productivity and effectiveness. IBM SPSS Statistics. Put the power of advanced statistical analysis in your hands.